Well, the very distinctive pattern of Shelley Harebell china, bone china made in England during the 1920s and 1930s. We know that from the marks on this and the particular shape, because Bluebell by Shelley was made over a long period of time, but this is quite a nice early and detailed version. We've got the moulded harebell relief in the actual wall of the teacup. Can you see that if I've got the shadow on it? These drop harebell buds and then the leaves going up, and then this beautiful transfer pattern with the harebells all the way around the outer side of this beautifully shaped teacup, flared rimmed, plain rim with a blue lineage, picked up again on the base plate here around the foot. And there's the nice fine bone china Shelley England Harebell 13590 is the pattern reference number, but as I say, do check the shapes out and the different markings for the different dates. Blue relief on the plain loop handle and a little bit of inner wall pattern with the harebell being picked up there. Really pretty, really beautifully moulded. Much more detail than the later versions made by the same factory. That sits on this lovely little saucer plate, beautifully decorated again with the moulded relief harebells moulded into the china. It's really demarcated. It's not really a scallop rim. It is these petal shapes and then the infills in between going around the outer side, matching harebell china marks on the saucer, and that all sits on again a relief moulded, same date, factory marks, side plate, beautifully decorated all the way around in this continuous loop of transfer design with the blue and green harebells. And there's the markings once more. In beautiful condition, these sets. Translucent, light English bone china, Shelley at its very, very best. And nice early examples in fine collector's condition. You won't find nicer sets on the internet in this shape with that relief moulding and the condition of the glaze and transfer prints being so bright. So very nice. Highly recommend these sets for collectors of Shelley bone china. Thanks for watching.